What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm favorite picture Denise, produced by Zenny Productions. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey, and if you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I drop videos every Thursday at 4 p.m. That is right, I changed it from 2 days to 1 day a week. But you need to click the bell and down below, because anytime sneakers come out and I cop the sneakers, I'm gonna do a review on the foot and a possible styling. In this, the video is just gonna drop. Okay, so that's why you need to have the bell click so you can be notified, because I will not wait till Thursday to drop that content, because that content is important and needs to come out ASAP. Moving on, y'all, it's 2022, and one of my goals for 2022 is to expand my sneaker collection outside of Jordan. Jordan is my favorite brand. I was born in Chicago. I lived in Chicago during the time that Michael Jordan played for the Bulls. I've loved Jordans and loved sneakers for a long time. Now, I said I wanted to expand my collection with different sneakers. So more Adidas, more Reeboks, different types of Nikes, not just Jordans, things like that. I really want to, you know, expand my Air Max collection. I only got one pair of Air Max, and so I really want to expand that. But like I said, I want to expand for Puma, Reebok, more just Nikes. I want more LeBron James. I want other sneakers that look really, really fly that I would like. So that's what 2022 is about. I will still cop some Jordans, and that's on period. However, my main focus is on other pair of shoes. Now,
yeah, I'm eating some candy. Y'all just have to go and get some because we smacking. My bad. Or leaving open, grabbing a piece of candy. My bad. But yeah, like a real one needs a snack. That's a period.
I did not open the boxes. They're literally still in the boxes. This is 2 pair of shoes, 2 pair of sneakers, literally in the box, and I'm gonna open them right now. I didn't want to open the boxes, so then I would have opened the shoe box. I want you to get my real reaction. So these are Cardi B's newest release. They released on I think it was December 31st is when they released, and this is, I think she released like a mint green, metallic gold, metallic silver, and another color. And there's some stickers that's coming out mint green in the year, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait for those. But I had to get these metallic gold, metallic silver ones, and I missed the drop for the maroon ones and like the olive green. If you do not know, maroon and olive green are 2 of my favorite colors. If you know, you know. Let's get right into it. Now, first and foremost, I have the Cardi B sneakers. They're the lavender color ones, and I wanted the one with the gum bottom, but however, they were sold out when I tried to get my size. My younger daughter, who's also a sneakerhead, she was able to get them, and they look so cute on her feet. Now, her shoes come in this black Cardi B box. She's actually has 2 pair of Cardi B's with the gum bottom. Her shoes come in a black Cardi B box. I got this old school Cardi B box, and I'm gonna put the link in the description for that particular video. And I was a little irritated, like, I want the Cardi B box. I got the Cardi B box. Look at that. Cardi B, as y'all see, it said Cardi B. And this is the collab with Reebok. She is definitely doing her thing with her sneakers. I love the whole idea of Cardi B's come up. So that's that on that. Now this is the box. This is the, again, I have another box, y'all, so don't worry. Now this is the front of the box. This is the bottom of the box here. The lid is not connected to the box because my daughter has a box like this. And let's look at the label here. Okay, so the label says size 9, classic leather, Cardi B women, and it does not say the color. That's interesting. Oh yes, it do. I think it says rose. I think it's supposed to say rose gold. I think that's what it is. So let's open it up. Smells amazing. Okay. Y'all, these are food. I cannot. I just cannot. Now I will say the smell that I'm smelling is, it must be of the paint of the, from the shop. And so this box is kind of tore up a little bit. And y'all know how I like my box. Y'all, I love these shoes already. I love the way they look already. How cute are these? These are adorable. Okay, and I do kind of feel like they're a little big for a size 9. Let me make sure that's the size. Yeah, it's a size 9 on there. Let me make sure that's the size on the inside. Yeah, it's a size 9 too. Okay, so first and foremost, I like all the different parts of the shoe. They have, you know, this part that's connected to the toe. They have this, it's like another area, like, if y'all can see that, it's kind of like sectioned away, but it's still connected. They have all the different sections you could use. Look at that. That's metallic gold. But we just gonna get right into this review. So this is the metallic gold Cardi B sneaker. And one thing I noticed with Cardi B sneakers, she does not give her sneakers a name. They just normally just are by the color, and she never like redoes the color or intertwines the color. Like, she don't have like a multicolored shoe. Normally it's just all that one color. I like the stacked sole. That's probably my favorite part. It has a little bit, it kind of gives you the Balenciaga feel with the stacked sole. So I love that because it's pretty much 2 layers. You have the bottom, which is a thicker gum layer on the bottom. So it's not like you can see through it, which you kind of can, but it's giving the gum look. But it's solid, right? And then there is the stacked portion on top, which is still a part of the sole. We have the traditional kind of Reebok classic look of the rounded toe. The different panels here on the side of the shoe, which says Reebok. The holes of the shoestrings is a different panel than the side. It's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. I give these shoes a 10 out of 10. I love the detail on the bottom, which is like the spoke sticking out. I'm all for a little stack. Make me a little taller. Okay, but let's just do a full run through of the look of the shoe. Again, the toe panel is kind of circular, like a square with the rounded edges. And then it goes into the side panel, which has the crisscross stitching here. Yeah, with the traditional Reebok sign and what is that, like the British flag. Yeah. Ooh, and oh, this tongue is gorgeous. Like, I don't know if y'all can see the tongue, but the tongue has the large Reebok classic logo with I think that's like the British flower in there. Ever had the original Reebok classic? This portion is normally always either on the toe or on the back, and it has that flower there in the middle. Yeah, this is actually super cute. I love the I guess you want to call it the brown shoestrings of the shoe which is not rose gold. Like, I'm glad like the shoestrings doesn't have any like metallic gold in it. I think that would throw it off. Now the back hook of the shoe, and then they also have the same type of hook on the tongue. Y'all, this is a really cute shoe. I'm really excited to wear this. This shoe, I think Cardi B really does a good job with her collection of sneakers. I think she really does. This is the next box. We already kind of talked about the box, and this is the label here. And so we have size 9 classic leather Cardi B women. And I don't know, did this one say leather too? Yeah, it does. Cardi B women. It says running, and it says silver MT. I'm guessing that's for metallic. Okay. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know which one I like better. We're gonna get right into it. This is how it looks in the box. Y'all, these are cold. These are absolutely cold. Like, look at that. Okay, so I think I like the silver better than the gold. The rose gold. I think I do. I don't know. Maybe if the rose gold was a bit lighter, but rose gold isn't supposed to be like really bright and vibrant. Yeah, let's get into this review. It has the stacked sole again, where you have like the thicker gum bottom and then another portion on top, which the way it looks on this one compared to the rose gold one, it looked like it's the gum bottom as well, but they made it blend into the actual color of the sneaker. You have, you know, the different panels here. And to me, that allows Cardi B to, if she wanted to come up with a multicolored shoe, she could, because she could color the panels different colors. Like, for an example, she could make this red, this part blue, this part orange, if she wanted to. And it's kind of the feel of like how Pumas are. They have a lot of different compartments, so you can make it all one color, you can make it several different colors. So I love that. I definitely like how she has the shoestrings the same shade of the sneaker. Okay, and that just really brings the color together. Y'all know it has the Cardi B in the inside with the Reebok collab, and then you have the Reebok logo with the flower, and then you have the traditional logo here as well. This shoe definitely looks better. It looks better than that. Now the rose gold shoe is definitely dope, but this shoe looks better. Period. It looks better. I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm actually thinking like how the mint one. The mint ones probably were amazing. Now I will say this. I'm gonna compare the two. Okay, so here on the sides, here on the bottom, we're gonna give a real review. I don't like it. Looks like it could peel up at any moment. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it look like I can flick it up and it peels off at any moment. This shoe is not as much like, not like that as much. It looks like it's kind of blended into the sole rather than you could just flick it up. I do not like that, y'all. That's the first thing I noticed. It looks like it's not sealed to that bottom sole enough. I guess that's the only thing I don't like. But everything else, I like this color better than this color. Let's see. Look at this, y'all. These are actually really dope. And knowing me, I'll wear them together. I'll wear them like silver and gold. Actually, these are really dope. These are definitely a good pickup. If you do not rock with the Cardi B collection with Reebok, you definitely should. Now she only produces women's shoes, so that's that on that. But these shoes are dope. They definitely give a luxury feel. Like, I feel like this, I feel like this particular release, it's giving luxury, it's giving high-end, high class, and these are actually more expensive than her other shoes. Her other shoes were like $90. These were $110, so a piece. and I got them from Foot Locker, each one from Foot Locker, and they actually treated you like Jordan treats you, or when a release come out, you can only get one pair of shoe at a time. So one pair of shoes in that size. So this is a women's size 9. I could only get one size 9 at a time. So I had to go back hoping that the metallic ones or the silver ones, I don't remember which one I purchased first, was still there, which I purchased them back to back, and they were. Y'all, comment down below on what y'all think. Okay? And honestly, these are actually shoes I could wear. If I was still working in corporate, I could wear to work. Okay, I am gonna post the on foot of both shoes. I'm gonna put a right foot on and then a left foot on. Yes, I am, and I'm gonna show you an on foot, so I don't have to do 2 on foots. I can just put a right one and a left one on, and then you'll see the on foot. Tell me what y'all think. I'm a big fan of Cardi B, like I said, and I'm gonna support the brand. I also think she has a good brand. She actually, when she releases her sneakers, she actually knows to have a few pieces of clothing out, and I just think it's a little bit more expensive than I want to purchase for Reebok. Don't judge me, don't knock my head off, but that's my truth and I'm sticking to it. However, hopefully I'll be able to grab some of the pieces, because she has some really cute pieces for the Lavender release she had. So hopefully I can grab some of the pieces that she releases when she releases her shoes. Y'all comment down below what y'all think about the Cardi B shoes, or if you mess with the Reebok collection with Cardi B. If you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. and on this channel you will see sneakers, luxury, lifestyle, and fashion. So if this is something you like, tell your family and friends. Give this video a thumbs up, because this is the place to be all 2022. Alright? Y'all, I'm favorite Patra Denise. And y'all be sweet.